Hello, fellow food lovers. Today I will be making lychee iced tea. You will need one tea bag, hot water, ice, and a can of lychee. So I got a heat-proof mug here. It's about 2 cups. I put a tea bag in there and I filled it with hot water. Probably about 1/3 full of hot water. I'm gonna let that steep for about 5 minutes. Okay, so 5 minutes have gone by. You can see the tea has gotten a lot darker. I'm gonna add ice to it, so the cup will be 2/3 full. So this mug has about 2 cups worth. It's about half a liter. Okay, so I added ice, so it's now 2/3 full. And you have to use the heat-proof mug for this, otherwise when you pour the hot water in, it might crack. So yeah, use a heat-proof mug. So I'm going to give that a stir. Get the ice mixed through with the liquid so it cools. Okay, so I got a can of lychee here. We're going to use the syrup that the lychee have been sitting in to flavor the iced tea. So I'm going to fill the cup up to the top with the syrup and give that a stir. I'm going to add, 2 lychees in there too, just for a garnish. Okay, there you have it. That's a quick and simple beverage. Bon appetit.